Today I'm going to be answering the question, what is USP? USP stands for Unique Selling Proposition, and Unique Selling Proposition is also called Unique Selling Point. It is the unique benefit that a company uses to sell its products or services, and it's another way for a company to communicate differentiation in terms of their products compared to other companies. Here's why you should buy from us instead of them. So why is USP important? So a company's unique selling proposition will guide its marketing strategy, brand messaging, positioning, ad copy, website content, ad creative. Basically, every form of communication with a customer is going to be geared around the main benefit that a company is selling. So some example of unique selling points, unique selling propositions: quality, price, customization options, ease of use, availability, speed, service, accessibility, and sustainability. Now, there are going to be some companies that try to use multiple unique selling propositions, generally larger companies, but ultimately, if you're trying to position your brand in a certain way, you're going to choose one or two of these things, and that's going to be the main thing that you're selling to people. For example, if you even just do a quick Google search for something like Little Caesars, so you can see Little Caesars here, so best value delivery and carry out, it's right in their title tag. When you go to their website, everything is about cheap prices, hot and ready. So everything is cheap, ready. There's not much of a hassle to go and get it. You're not going to be spending a lot of money. So they're not competing with a gourmet pizza shop. They're just trying to get you into the door as quickly as possible with a cheap meal and get you out of the door. And a lot of companies, for example, if we look at a large corporation like Walmart, if you click on our company here and you look at the About Us page, they'll tell you exactly what their unique selling proposition is. Everyday low prices on a broad assortment, anytime, anywhere. So basically what they're saying here is from grocery and entertainment to sporting goods and crafts. So there's a huge selection of different types of products. Everything is going to be very inexpensive, and it's going to be very easy to purchase from them, whether you're shopping at walmart.com, through one of their mobile shopping apps, or shopping in a store. So if we come up to the top here and just through innovation, we're creating a seamless experience to let customers shop anytime and anywhere online and stores, and they can shop our selection of everyday low prices on a broad assortment of products. So that is Walmart's unique selling proposition. So let's come back over here and look at a few more examples. We'll go through these pretty quickly, and we'll start with a really smaller company, Smith's Country Cheese. So if you're looking at a company like Smith's Country Cheese, it's what is their selling point? From our farm to your home, we ship. So obviously when you're purchasing any of their cheeses, you can see here, if you're looking at their cheddar cheese, on the farm, everyone knows when it's cheddar making day, 9 hours of cutting, stacking, milling our curds. So you're seeing, okay, we're getting an experience from a farm. We're getting farm fresh cheese when we purchase from this company compared to what we're purchasing in our local grocery store. So number one, Smith's Country Cheese, farm fresh, it's local. So you feel more like what you're purchasing is actually unique compared to what you would purchase from maybe a main large brand that's making millions of blocks of cheese a year. So our next example, Yeti, even if we go right to their homepage, this is what's on their homepage right now. Easy to take, hard to break. They're clearly trying to get to people who are outdoorsy. It's their lightest water bottle yet. So very quick, unique selling point, hard to break bottle, easy to bring anywhere with you, no matter what you're doing. Now you can also see with any of the products they have on their product pages, they generally have a list of selling points here. So for day in, day out use, if we keep coming over, built tough, hold the cold, and smart design. So basically easy to use, very high quality products. You don't have to worry about them breaking. You don't have to worry about having issues using it in any way possible. So with Yeti, they're basically telling you, we have quality products. If you're purchasing from us, it might be expensive, but what you're getting is a great product. Next is going to be Liquid IV. So if you come to Liquid IV, they have this basically all over their website, but one stick, multiply your energy, ease into sleep faster, faster hydration than water alone. Made with premium quality ingredients. So with Liquid IV, what they're trying to tell you is instead of just drinking water, you drink Liquid IV, you will be hydrated quicker, and here is the technology behind it. So that is their unique selling proposition. You are not only going to be able to get hydrated, but you can also use some of these other products as well and get energy, immune support, and sleep to go along with the hydration. So some different ways that they sell their products. Next is going to be Our Place. So they have the Always Pan, and you can see here what they're selling to you is this do-it-all wonder is designed to replace 8 traditional pieces of cookware, and it looks pretty good too. So they have a bunch of different colors so you can match them to your kitchen. They're not cheap. I mean, these are over $100 each. If you're purchasing it, you can see $145. If we scroll down, they have replaced 8 pieces of cookware, patented 8-in-1 multifunctionality, exclusive high-performance nonstick, no chemicals. So they're not trying to win on price. What they're trying to say is get this really high-quality pan, and it's going to replace other pans that you use every single day. So you don't need 10 different pans in your kitchen. This one pan can do it all. So that's what they're selling to you, is ease of use to go along with high quality. So that's going to be our place. Next is going to be Take 5 oil change. Pretty easy to see this one. We come right on the homepage. The stay in your car 10-minute oil change. We're all about fast, friendly, and simplified oil changes. So you don't need to make any appointments. You drive through. It's a very quick oil change. So for anybody that's just looking for the quickest possible oil change, that's what they're selling to you with Take 5. Now, next is going to be paint. So if we're looking at paint, if, for example, we just come here to Home Depot, we're looking at some of their interior paint brands. All the way to the left, Behr Dynasty. All the way to the right, Glidden Essentials. If we're just looking at price, what you can see is the Behr Dynasty 5-gallon paint is almost $300, and the Glidden Essentials 5-gallon paint is $93. The $93 paint is saying good hide and coverage for outstanding value, great for all living spaces, scrubbable, washable finish for everyday traffic, whereas the Behr Dynasty, you're paying more money. Advanced durability helps guard painted surface, exceptional cleanability, simply wash messes and mishaps away, tack-free, doesn't stick on painted surfaces within 4 hours. So Behr Dynasty is trying to win on quality, while Glidden Essentials is trying to win on price. So different unique selling propositions from 2 different products at way different price points for the same amount of paint. Next is going to be Shopify, so the leader in e-commerce. So when you come to Shopify's website, if you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. Build your business here, take it anywhere. So what Shopify promotes to people is not only can you build your business with us, but it's going to be the best possible platform to build a business where you're selling products to people. If we scroll down here, discover why millions of entrepreneurs choose Shopify, store builder, themes, app store. They have quick little images that show you some of the different ways that you can customize your store, how it's very easy to create a website with Shopify so you can focus on just selling your products, connect with customers everywhere. So what Shopify is selling to you is we have a ton of different customizations, and it's very easy to use our product to sell your products to other customers. So take a lot of that hassle out of your hands, give it to Shopify, and then you can focus on selling products. Now, last but not least, let's look at 4Ocean. So with 4Ocean, every single one of their products helps clean the ocean. So you can see here 26 million pounds of trash pulled from the world's oceans, rivers, and coastlines. They have a bunch of content about actual cleanup. So Osborne Reef Tire Cleanup, and they'll actually show their crews diving to new depths to clean the ocean, protect our coral reefs, learn more. And then even within their products, Ghost Net Awareness Bracelet. So shop now, pull a pound. What's really cool about this is it's a $29 bracelet. One bracelet pulls 1 pound of these ghost nets out of the ocean and out of rivers. It's made out of the 4Ocean recovered ghost net. So it's completely made from the actual ghost nets that they're taking out of lakes, rivers, oceans. So it's a really cool product, and your unique selling proposition is not only are you purchasing cool products, but you're also helping to clean up the world's water. So some different ways that companies sell their products. You can see all these different unique selling propositions and how companies position themselves to sell to you. And it's really important to have a unique selling proposition because it's going to guide your marketing strategy. So if you're selling products and services, what is the one thing that you are providing as a benefit to your customers? If you have any questions about USP, please leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.